Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel Soundtrap subscription. If you want to cancel your Soundtrap subscription, you can do so directly from your Soundtrap account. And here's how to cancel your subscription. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to www.soundtrap.com. Then log in into your Soundtrap account using your email, Google, or Apple credentials. Once logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. So just navigate to the left navigation panel on the homepage, which we have in here, and click on your profile name at the top left, which will open a drop down menu. That's the three dots icon right there. Now in the drop down menu, click on subscription, and this will take you to the page where you can manage your subscription and billing details. So right here, I'm on free trial. I'm free. That's Music Maker's free. So I'm not on any paid subscription. So in the drop down, so on the subscription page, you'll see current subscription plan. Example, Soundtrap for individual, Soundtrap for education, whatever plan you're on. So look for an option like cancel subscription or manage subscription. The exact wordings may vary depending on your update. So go ahead and click on cancel subscription and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for canceling. Now, once you have confirmed the cancellation, your subscription will be deactivated at the end of the current billing cycle. You will still have access to your premium features until the subscription expires, and you may receive a confirmation email about the cancellation. Depending on the timing of your cancellation and Soundtrap's policy, you may now receive a refund for the remaining subscription period. Now, if you are canceling a paid plan, you will automatically be downgraded to the free version of Soundtrap once your subscription expires. Now, you can resubscribe to Soundtrap at any time by following the same steps for subscribing to a paid plan. So by following the steps, that's cool. You can successfully cancel your Soundtrap subscription and stop future payments from being changed or from being charged rather to your account. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.